everyone, my name is Saurya Viswas and my friend Shreyan Das. Today we have created a project called RGB LED. We have created this with a breadboard, RGB LED and switches. So let me introduce this. This is an RGB LED light. It has one positive terminal. So we have placed it like this as you all can see. And here we have connected 3 switches with 2 wires so that the light can glow. We are switching it on. As you can see, red, green and blue. So these 3 lights totally are known as RGB. R means red, G means green and B means